Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to download offline maps. So, yes, you can download offline maps in both Google Maps and Apple Maps before you travel. So, open Google Maps. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, in here, scroll down and look for offline maps and click on that. Now, select your own map. Now, adjust the area you want to save, just like so, and click download at the bottom right corner. So, as you can see, it's now downloading. So, downloads will continue whenever you're on Wi Fi and Google Maps is open. So, to download over mobile networks, you can go to offline map settings, then you'll be notified when downloads complete. So, offline maps are great for navigation without mobile data or Wi Fi, saving on roaming charges while traveling, areas with poor or no cellular coverage. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. So, that's how you can download offline maps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.